Good evening, everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see to another disease conditions from management of patient with GI disorders. So, today we are going to see about appendicitis and anorectal abscess. So, first we will move on to the first disease condition, that is appendicitis. This is very important. In every MSN paper, there will be a question regarding appendicitis. So, we will see what is this disease condition. It is an inflammation of the appendix. Okay. What is appendix? It is a finger shaped pouch that projects from the colon on the lower right side of the abdomen. ठीक है. सो अपेंडिसाइटिस मतलब क्या है? अपेंडिक्स का जो इन्फ्लेमेशन है, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? अपेंडिसाइटिस. Appendicitis causes pain in the lower right abdomen. However, in most people, pain begins around the navel and then moves. As inflammation worsens, appendicitis can typically increases and eventually become severe. ठीक है. सो ये डिसीज कंडीशन के बारे में जब हम सिंपली बोलते हैं, ठीक है, ये कॉमनली इसका मेन क्लिनिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन ये होता है around the umbilical cord. The patient will get start with the pain, ठीक है, and this pain will radiate to the lower right side of the abdomen. So, this is the main indication of appendicitis, and if it is chronic appendicitis, the patient will get uh, severe pain, and if it is chronic and if the appendix ruptured, then it is a surgical emergency. ठीक है. If it is ruptured, then it is a surgical emergency. Most commonly for appendicitis, we are doing the surgical treatment. But if it is ruptures only, then it will get an emergency. ठीक है. Then although anyone can develop appendicitis, most often it occurs in people between the ages of 10 and 13. Coming to the causes, a blockage in the lining of the appendix that results in infection is the likely cause of appendicitis. The bacteria multiply rapidly, causing the appendix to become inflamed, swollen and filled with pus. If not treated promptly, the appendix can rupture. ठीक है, मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया है. तो अपेंडिसाइटिस कैसे होता है, ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली इसमें पहले ही इन्फेक्शन नहीं आएगा. तो क्या होता है, पहले क्या होता है, जो अपेंडिक्स का जो लाइनिंग ब्लॉकेज होता है, ठीक है, कुछ वेस्ट मटेरियल से और कुछ से उसको ब्लॉकेज होते हैं, तब क्या होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ब्लॉकेज देयर विल बी बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन और इन्फ्लेमेशन. ठीक है, एंड दिस इन्फेक्शन और इन्फ्लेमेशन विल कॉज द अपेंडिक्स टू बी swollen and it will fill with pus. ठीक है, and if it is not treated and or if it is not identified early, then there is a big chance of this appendix to getting rupture. ठीक है, that's why I told it as if it is ruptured, then it is an surgical emergency. What are the signs and symptoms? Sudden pain that begins on the right side of the lower abdomen. Then pain that worsens if you cough, walk or make other jarring movements. Nausea and vomiting, loss of appetite, low grade fever that may worsen as the illness progresses, constipation or diarrhea, abdominal bloating and flatulence. Then we will see what are the early signs of appendicitis. So, these early signs of appendicitis or these signs is the one the doctors are doing manually to confirm the diagnosis. Okay. So, in this there are 6 early signs of appendicitis, and these 6 signs are very important terminologies. You have to see this and study it. Okay. So, first one is guarding. What is guarding? Guarding occurs when a person subconsciously tense the abdominal muscles during the examination. ठीक है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, पेशेंट को कॉन्शियसली abdominal मसल में प्रेशर देने के लिए बोलते हैं. ठीक है, जब वो प्रेशर देख के उसके बाद जब प्रेशर रिलैक्स करते तब पेशेंट को क्या आएगा, पेन आएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट इज गार्डिंग. देन rebound tenderness. A doctor tests for rebound tenderness by applying hand pressure to a patient's abdomen and letting go. The pain felt upon the release of the pressure indicates rebound tenderness. ठीक है, हम फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम क्या करते हैं, पेशेंट की अब्डोमेन में डॉक्टर प्रेशर देते हैं, ठीक है. जब दिस प्रेशर रिलीज होता है तब द पेशेंट विल गेट पेन एंड दिट इंडिकेट्स rebound tenderness and it is a positive sign for appendicitis. Sorry. Then Rosing sign. A doctor tests for Rosing sign by applying hand pressure to the lower left side of the abdomen. A pain felt on the lower right side of the abdomen upon the release of pressure on the left side indicates the presence of Rosing sign. ठीक है, तो तब क्या करते हैं फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन में? डॉक्टर कहाँ पे प्रेशर देते हैं? लेफ्ट लोअर एब्डोमेन में प्रेशर देते हैं, ठीक है. एंड जब डॉक्टर वो हाथ वहां से जो प्रेशर रिलीज कर देता, पेशेंट को कहाँ पे पेन आएगा? इफ द पेशेंट इज गेटिंग पेन इन द राइट लोअर एब्डोमेन, then it indicates a positive Rosing sign that indicates the inflammation of appendix. Then we will move on to the fourth sign, that is psoas sign. The psoas muscle runs over the pelvis near the appendix. Okay, so this is a muscle that runs over the pelvis near to the appendix. Flexing this muscle will cause abdominal pain if the appendix is inflamed. Okay, then obturator sign. What is obturator sign? The right obturator muscle also runs near the appendix. The pain on inward rotation of the hip. हिप इनवर्ड रोटेशन जब करते हैं, ठीक है, तब क्या होगा? ऑब्चुरेटर मसल का स्ट्रेचिंग होता है, ठीक है. जब दिस पोजीशन और दिस इनवर्ड रोटेशन ऑफ द हिप कॉजेस पेन, देन it indicates the positive sign of appendicitis, ठीक है. Then Aaron's sign. It is the pain felt in the epigastrium upon continuous firm pressure over McBurney's point. McBurney's point में कंटिन्यूसली जब प्रेशर दे देता, तब एपिगैस्ट्रियम में पेन आया, तो क्या है? That is indicates positive Aaron sign and it indicates the appendicitis. Then Bloomberg's sign. Abdominal wall is compressed slowly and then rapidly released. Presence of pain makes the sign positive, which indicates the peritonitis. ठीक है, so what is ब्लूमबर्ग साइन? ब्लूमबर्ग साइन मतलब क्या है? अब्डोमिनल वॉल में हम स्लोली कंप्रेस करते और रैपिडली रिलीज करते. इफ द पेशेंट इज हैविंग पेन, देन इट इंडिकेट्स पॉजिटिव ब्लूमबर्ग साइन that indicates peritonitis. So these are the early signs of appendicitis. What are the diagnostic evaluations we can do? The main thing the doctor is doing is the physical examination to assess the pain. ठीक है, psoas sign, Aaron sign, Bloomberg sign, ठीक है, obturator sign, ये सब हम डॉक्टर्स असेस करते हैं. Then blood test, urine test, imaging test like abdominal X-ray, abdominal ultrasound, CT and MRI. Then management. Medical management include, as usual for inflammation, we are giving antibiotics and soft diet if surgery is not able to do. ठीक है, the surgical management is called as appendectomy. ठीक है, it is nothing but removal of the appendix. ठीक है, in older method the doctors used to do the laparotomy. ठीक है, उसमें क्या है? सिर्फ एक इंसिशन से हम लैप्रोटोमी सर्जरी करके अपेंडिक्स रिमूव करते हैं. एंड न्यूअर मेथड इंक्लूड दी इज नोन एज लैप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी. सो दिस इज द मैनेजमेंट. And your assignment is write the nursing management of appendicitis. You need to write about both pre and post-operative nursing management. Next, anorectal abscess. It is a painful condition in which pus collected near the anus. ठीक है, so it's a simple disease condition. उसमें कुछ एब्सेस मतलब क्या है? पस कलेक्शन. ठीक है, तो एनोरेक्टल एब्सेस मतलब क्या है? एनस के नियर में जब पस कलेक्शन होते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एनोरेक्टल एब्सेस. ठीक है, द कॉजेस एंड रिस्क फैक्टर्स इंक्लूड एस्क्रिशिया कोलाई, प्रोटियस, स्ट्रेप्टोकोक्की एंड स्टेफिलोकोकस बैक्टीरिया, एसटीडीज, सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिसीज, blocked anal glands, colitis, IBD and PID. IBD is inflammatory bowel disease and PID is pelvic inflammatory disease. Clinical manifestations include pain, skin irritation, discharge of pus, constipation, fever, chills and weakness. The diagnostic evaluations we can do is digital rectal examination, blood test, ultrasound, CT and MRI. Treatment include surgically we will drain the abscess if possible, then antibiotics we will give for infection and inflammation, and if there is a fistula development, okay, because of this abscess, if there is a fistula development, so ये एब्सेस डिस्चार्ज को ड्रेन करके हम क्या करना है, फिस्टुला भी रिपेयर करना है. Nursing management include advise the patient to take sitz bath 3 to 4 times a day. Patient should be instructed to take stool softeners. Advise the patient to use mini pad to avoid spoil the dress and administer medicines as prescribed. So by this session we are completing the unit management of patient with GI system. You need to complete the notes whichever topics I had covered in this unit. Everyone should write all the topics in your notebook, and the assignments also. The assignments you can write in the assignment notebook which we had given and which we had instructed, like how the instruction is given for writing the assignment. You have to do like that. Okay. The pictures also should be included in the assignment. There should be, you can draw the pictures with pencil. I hope everyone understood the topics which is covered in this unit. Some intervention procedures are बाकी, ठीक है, वो हम बाद में we will explain the interventional procedures and the diagnostic procedures. So if you have any doubt about these topics which is covered in this unit, you can ask at any time. Thank you.